and welcome to Welcome English, the podcast for everyone learning basic English. I'm your host, Jack, and today we are going to learn some simple and very useful phrases for everyday situations. If you find yourselves in a new country and need to learn basics, this is a best place to start. First, say hello to greet someone. Simple hello or hi is a good place to start. More formal way to greet someone is by saying good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Now, let's introduce yourself by saying your name. You can say, my name is, and then add your name. For example, my name is Alex. My name is. Wonderful. After you introduce yourself, it is polite to say, nice to meet you. Please say it. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now, let's move on to asking for directions. If you need to ask someone a question, you can first say, excuse me. Please repeat, excuse me. Then you can ask where a place is. For example, where is the bathroom? Let's practice. Where is the bathroom? Or, where is the train station? Repeat after me. Where is the train station? And when someone helps you, you should always say, thank you. Please repeat, thank you. Finally, let's learn how to ask for help. This is very important. You can say, can you help me, please? If you don't understand something, you can say, I don't understand. I don't understand. Let us talk about some important situations. I will say it, then you can repeat. I need a doctor. I am not feeling well. Call the police. Call an ambulance. Nice. Great job today. Remember to practice every day. Speak slowly, don't be afraid. Even if you make mistake, it is opportunity to learn. More you speak, more you learn, more you improve. Thank you for listening to Welcome English.